Massage.
For all we know, they can be just
Doing
sundotizing it, you know?
yes.
Just poking it with their fingers.
Right.
That's what we call massage in Shih Tzu land.
Hey, check that out.
Is this, what do you call it? Pinikpikan? Pinikpikan ba to?
Nothing, I don't know.
Oh. Pinikpikan was in San Juan the other year. Meron din beach party doon, ang ganda-ganda nga eh.
May wildlife kami din na cremaster.
Wildlife what?
Seafood.
Ay, oh? That's good.
Have you heard of the new sugar free?
No, is it good?
Heard of? Bad.
The new city, na-download ko. It's okay.
In new issuers, pumakas din.
So you're signing, huh?
Yeah.
May seat, ha?
Ewan eh.
Oo, ang seat naman ito.
Ano
Pag yung ano, di ba, very
sila
laban na.
Ano, kabera mo ng kumot. Give up na lang siya basta. She's gonna lie down and die. Time to die. Hanggang ganyan na lang siya. Eventually, she's gonna give up.
Wala na, hindi pa siya umiiyak.
He doesn't have a easy survival.
No survival skill. Ang yabang-yabang pa niya, yung malaking daga sa, sa goo.
Oh.
Hahabulin niya. Pag tapos pag malapit na siya, babagalan niya yung takbo niya. Kunyari matapang eh.
Kung si Hershey at makakita, papakita na niya mas malakas na.
Wala masyadong,
Kasi may boss ni Jero, ang base ka agad.
wala masyadong nakikitang ano yun eh. Tao.
Yeah, parang dyan sa makina. Oh, wala siya yung street ni Hershey. Yan yung makina. Kaya pag Oh, meron pa rin yung trade na ito. Oh, eh. Oh, wait, kumali na ko niya. Oh, so cute.
Sa JOY, attention grabber kaya siya pag nagka-cashier kami ni Karen.
Oo.
Nandun siya sa sa side.